Hi there. In this video, we're going to learn how to change the default font to a font of our choice. So let's get started. I have this document open, and when I select the type tool and make a text box, and let's type in Adobe InDesign, you can see on top that by default, the font is set to Minion Pro, 12 points, and regular style. Now, I never use Minion Pro, so won't it be better to set the default font to a font I often use? Let's do that. Let's close this document. When you are at the welcome screen, go to Window and then Workspace and select Essentials Classic, and you land here. This is exactly the same screen we are introduced to when we create or open a document, except that at this point there is no document open. Ensure that the type tool is selected, and this time when you update the font to any font of your choice, it will stay updated permanently. So let me choose Museo Sans as my preferred font. 300 is the font style or thickness of the font, and I'd like to have the font size set to 10 points. Now when I go to File and then New and select Document and then hit Create, you can find that the default font has changed already. Let's make a text box and then right-click and fill it with some placeholder text. And there you go. The default font, the font style, and the font size are all updated as per our settings. So that's how you can easily update the default font in InDesign. Alright guys, that concludes our session, so I'm going to see you in just a moment. Goodbye.